point about Pinterest affiliate marketing is incomplete, confusing and unrealistic, right? Because most of videos skip the part that actually makes money. In this video, I'm going to show you a realistic Pinterest affiliate marketing strategies that works even if you have zero experience, no website and no money to invest. I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process from setting up your account to promoting products the right way without getting banned. So let's start with step number 1, create a Pinterest business account. First, you need a Pinterest business account. For this, go to pinterest.com, click on sign up and choose create a free business account. Enter your email, password, date of birth and then continue. If you already have a personal Pinterest account, don't worry, you can convert into a business account from account settings. During setup, select consumer goods, products or service. For business name, use your name or any temporary name. Set country to United States. This helps with better affiliate options. When asked about a website, select I don't have a website. Choose the goal, create content to grow an audience. Select other as brand focus. Once done, skip the remaining questions and you will reach your Pinterest dashboard. Now step 2 is find a high demand niche. This is the most important step and honestly this is where most beginners mess up. Most people choose a niche based on their personal interest, not based on what actually sells. But Pinterest doesn't reward passion, Pinterest rewards demand. So let me show you how to do this the right way. Go to Pinterest Business Hub, then click on Audience Insights. Select all Pinterest users. Now you are looking at a real-time data from millions of people who actively use Pinterest to plan purchases. You will see multiple high-performing categories like fashion, beauty, home, lifestyle, etc. For this strategy, we are choosing fashion. Fashion works extremely well on Pinterest because people come here to plan outfits, save style ideas, and decide what to buy next. When you click on fashion, Pinterest breaks it down into sub-niches like women's outfits, men's fashion, summer outfits, street style, minimal outfits, party wear, etc. These are not random ideas, these are topics people are already searching for. Scroll down and check the demographics. You will notice a mostly female audience and strong activity from countries like the United States. This is exactly what you want for affiliate marketing because fashion products converts really well with this audience. Now click on any sub-niche, for example, women's outfits ideas or summer fashion. Pinterest will instantly show you real pins that already performing well. Now let's come to step 3. Understand how fashion affiliate pins work on Pinterest. Click on any popular fashion pin. At the top or bottom of the pin, you will notice a feature called Shop the Look. This is where the real magic happens. Pinterest allows creators to tag fashion products directly inside a pin like tops, dresses, shoes, bags, accessories, etc. Each tag product is connected to platforms like Amazon. When someone clicks on a product and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. No website, no store, no inventory. Just fashion content and Pinterest traffic. That's why fashion is one of the easiest and safest categories to start with. Now step 4 is optimize your Pinterest profile. Now let's optimize your Pinterest profile. Go to your profile and click edit profile. For your name, use formats like your name and fashion finds, outfit ideas, women's fashions. Adding keywords after your name helps Pinterest understand what your account is about. Upload a clean profile picture or a simple fashion style logo. Now write your bio. Keep it simple and natural. For example, daily outfit inspiration, affordable fashion finds and trending styles. Use 2 to 3 fashion related keywords but don't keyword stuff, okay? You can leave the website section empty. Click save. Now your profile is optimized for fashion searches. Now here comes our step 5, create fashion boards. Pinterest heavily favored accounts with multiple focus boards. You need to create at least 5 boards. Each focus on a specific fashion topic. For example, summer outfit ideas, casual women's fashion, winter outfit ideas, party wear looks, minimal style outfits, trendy fashion finds. Use clean, search-friendly board titles. After creating your boards, save top performing fashion pins. Add outfit inspiration from other creators. Keep everything aligned with fashion. Done right, this helps Pinterest trust your account and increase reach. Now step 6, find trending fashion keywords. Now go to Pinterest Trends. Inside the Business Hub, choose fashion as your category. Here look for trending outfit styles, seasonal fashion keywords, keywords with steady growth. Avoid keywords that suddenly spike and then disappear. Instead, focus on keywords with consistent interest like summer outfits women, casual outfits idea, winter outfits, minimalist fashion, etc. Now take your main keyword and type it into the Pinterest search bar. Use the auto suggestions that appear. These suggestions are based on what people are actually searching for right now. These keywords will decide which outfit you promote and which products you sell as an affiliate. Now step number 7, create an Amazon affiliate account. Now that you know exactly what kind of fashion content and keywords you are going to work with, the next step is get your affiliate links. For that, you need to create an Amazon Associate account. Go to Amazon Associates and sign up using your Amazon account, fill in your basic details and complete the setup. This is how you will earn commissions from the fashion products you promote on Pinterest. Once your account is approved, you will be able to generate affiliate links for dresses, tops, shoes, bags and accessories and whatever you want. Now step 8, create scroll stopping Pinterest images. Now comes the creative part. You don't need a camera, you don't need a professional studio. You just need high quality fashion style images that look realistic and appealing. Create multiple images based on your fashion niche like women outfit flat lace, lifestyle fashion looks, aesthetic outfits inspiration. Once your images are ready, download them and save them in one folder. Rename each image properly so you can easily identify it later while uploading on Pinterest. Now before you start posting affiliate pins, you need to pause here. Yes, because this step is extremely important. Pinterest is very strict with new accounts. If you create new account and immediately start posting affiliate pins, Pinterest may flag and suspend your account. So here's what you need to do. For the first 2 to 3 weeks, do not post affiliate pins. Post 1 to 2 normal pins daily, repin content from bigger fashion accounts, engage with other pins and join group boards. The goal is to make your account look natural and helpful, not sales focused. After 1 or 2 weeks, you can slowly start adding affiliate pins and similarly you have to continue with balance and 70% organic pins and 30% affiliate pins. This helps keep your account safe lifetime. Now step number 9, upload your first Pinterest pin. Now let's upload a pin. Go to Pinterest and click on create pin. Upload your fashion image. For the title, use a keyword based and search friendly title, not just random title. It's the biggest mistake beginners make. For the description, use a natural descriptions, include keywords and a simple call to action. Choose the relevant board, add 5 to 6 relevant tags related to your fashion pins. Important thing, do not paste your Amazon affiliate link in the link section. Yes, leave it empty. Now comes the most powerful part. Look at your uploaded fashion image. You will see multiple products inside it. Top, jeans, shoes, bag. To find similar products, right click on any item in the image and search it on Google. Then add Amazon in the search results. You will find matching products available on Amazon. Open the product, copy your affiliate link and then go back to Pinterest. Click add product and choose the use link and paste your affiliate link. Enable the affiliate disclosure. Repeat this process and add up to 5 products to one pin. This will activate the shop the look feature on your pin. You can see how it actually looks. It's totally amazing. Now step number 11 is posting schedule. Pinterest works better when you start posting consistently at the right time. Best posting times are 8 am, 2 pm and 8 pm. Post at least 5 pins a day, 3 normal pins and 2 affiliate pins. Make sure do not make every pin an affiliate pin. Pinterest notices this and may flag your account. Now one final piece of advice for everyone who has been watching this far. See, this is not get rich quick method. Consistency is what turns this strategy into real income.